Placing orders in MetaTrader. You can trade with Forex using the WebTrader or MetaTrader platforms. This video will show you how to place orders in MetaTrader. To open a deal, first choose the currency pair that you want to trade. There are two ways to do it. Either double-click the necessary trading instrument in the Market Watch window or open the chart window of the chosen pair and click the New Order button on the toolbar. In the pop-up window, set the trade volume in lots. You can choose one of the suggested readings or fill in the number from 0.01 to 10,000 manually. Set the stop loss and take profit levels, and add comments if you want. After that, you need to choose the type of execution, whether it will be instant execution or a pending order that will be executed after the price reaches the determined level. If you choose the instant execution option, then you can tick Enable Maximum Deviation from Quoted Price. In this case, your order to initiate a trade will be executed without requotes. Next, choose the type of a deal, buy or sell, and click the corresponding button. After that, the deal will be opened and you will see it in the Trade tab of the terminal window below. If you choose the pending order, you need to define its type, buy or sell, limit or stop. After that, you need to set the execution price that should not coincide with the current price. The minimal distance between the current price and execution price should be equal to the spread on this trading instrument. Additionally, you can check the expiry box. This option enables you to set the time when the order should be cancelled automatically in case the price does not reach the determined level. Once it's done, click the Place button and your order will appear in the Trade tab of the terminal window under the balance line.